Okay, Duane, listen carefully. This is predator number 1 of 2. We can't start it up for very long because it's racing, probably over 2,000 RPM. I didn't even look over there at the tack to see what it was, but that indicates big trouble with major leaks internally. Now I want you to listen very carefully, because I know you started telling me what to do and how to do it, but here's the way it's going to go. We do not replace every single little microscopic nut, bolt, screw, washer, clip. If it's a good part, it stays. One guy was complaining because we did not change those flaps in the top. I will tell you about them flaps. Is the first time you start them up, they curl. They're only there for one purpose, and that's to keep it from backfiring. And I've even seen them run them without them. I've seen people glue them down with JB Weld. But just let me tell you, so when you get it back and you look in there, we can put new flaps in there, but they'll be curled up. And if you tear it apart and you look and you see it, you know, I haven't looked inside it yet, but just because you don't see every single microscopic bolt and screw in there new, that doesn't mean it's not been tested and working correctly. Well, right now, this thing's a piece of crap. It's leaking all over the place. Leaking here, the pump's barely pumping. And we start it up, we're going to start it up and we're going to show you. This thing run about 90 mile an hour, which is bad, problems internally, but that's why you got it here. Okay, here we go. What's the tachometer being up there?
That's 2,500.
Yeah, it's right off the needle there from where we're working in 2,000 to 5,000 scale. It's right off the end of it. Me took the rev limiter on this time. Yeah. Yeah, I had to put the rev limiter 5,500 to keep it from jumping off the top of the motor. Okay, don't worry about it. It'll run. And if you're one of those guys that likes to tear them apart to see what's inside, the first time you turn one of them screws, you invalidated the warranty. If it doesn't run like you think it should run, you send it back. But you're going to see a video when we get done, going to show you this thing running perfect. Now this video is quite lengthy. Get you some popcorn, sit down there with your dog on the couch and watch it. We don't want no trouble later on.